Redmi TV X55 review. Affordable price, impressive display. Redmi was declared an independent brand in 2019. This sub-brand of China-based Xiaomi is all about value for money products, while the Mi brand offers premium devices with aggressive pricing. Other than smartphones, Redmi has already ventured into product categories like wireless earbuds, power banks and smartbands. The company has now entered the smart TV market in India with the launch of its first smart TV. Called the Redmi TV X series, the lineup consists of 3 screen sizes: 50-inch, 55-inch and 65-inch. We reviewed the 55-inch model of Redmi TV X, which comes with a price tag of 38,999 rupees. Here's our review. Redmi TV X55 Design. Redmi TV X55 is a rather standard-looking TV set. It has a comparatively thin profile on the side and features a plastic body. What catches one's eye as soon as one takes the TV out of the packaging box is the Redmi branding on the rear side. It is so prominent that you cannot miss it. The 55-inch screen model that we received is a slightly bigger unit. It could be big for some rooms, but that depends on a case-to-case basis. The TV comes with a plastic stand out of the box to place it on a table or something. Users can choose to mount it on a wall, but they will have to spend extra bucks to buy the wall mount stand. Having said that, the smart TV blends well with the background, thanks to the thin frame. As we said before, the device has a plastic body with black borders around it. There is an indicator light at the front bottom, behind which is the power button. Redmi branding can be seen right above the indicator light. For connectivity, the smart TV features a unique L-shaped pattern. The 3 HDMI ports, 2 USB ports and a 3.5mm audio output port are placed on the left side. While the antenna, AV input sockets, optical audio output and Ethernet port are placed on the bottom panel facing downwards. This specific pattern of placing the ports comes in handy, especially when the TV is mounted on a wall and there is less room for movement. The display is one of the biggest highlights of the Redmi Smart TV. The Smart TV has a 4K LED panel which comes with support for all HDR formats. These include HDR10, HDR10+ and hybrid log gamma. The TV comes with over 85% of the NTSC color space and 92% DCI-P3 color gamut. The picture quality is really good. Colors are not oversaturated and are aptly balanced with the right amount of contrast and sharpness. The TV's display also offers Dolby Vision support, which enhances the viewing experience on the TV. Having Dolby Vision support at this price point is a bit add-on. Watching high-quality content is top-notch on the Redmi TV X55. Be it Natasha Lyonne's Russian Doll on Netflix, Dolby Vision, or The Family Man on Amazon Prime Video, 4K UHD HDR, the TV offers an impressive view. Redmi Smart TV is also equipped with features like Reality Flow and Vivid Picture Engine. The Reality Flow offers a fluid display with intelligent frame insertion to offer blur-free visuals on the TV. The Vivid Picture Engine helps set accurate levels of contrasts, colors, brightness and clarity. These features help improve the overall picture quality on the TV's screen and are always welcomed. Redmi TV X55 Performance. Redmi TV X55 is powered by a 64-bit MediaTek quad-core processor and runs on Android 10 operating system. With this, the TV packs 2 GB of RAM and 16 GB of internal storage. Like other Xiaomi smart TVs, this TV too features Patchwall OS from Xiaomi. The TV's interface is quick to understand and get used to it. Given this was the first time I used a Xiaomi TV, I was able to navigate through it easily. Thanks to the Patchwall UI, the smart TV comes preloaded with multiple odd apps. But in case one wants to download more apps, there is 16 GB of storage space offered on the device. We like the smart recommendation feature of the Patchwall. It suggests curated content with features like India, Top 10, Collections and more. There is also a user center feature that creates a customized viewing space for a user as per one's likes and dislikes. This comes very handy, especially when you are really not sure what to stream. There is also a kids mode that offers some interesting parental control features. With the safe universal search, parents can restrict age-inappropriate content on the TV. Then there is parental lock to watch content designed for kids. All these tools will be useful for the parents out there to block out unnecessary, inappropriate content for their kids. Another feature worth mentioning is the Mi Home app, which can be downloaded and used via the Patchwall launcher. The app, once connected to the TV, can be used to control Xiaomi's smart devices like smart bulb, smart speaker and more. Then, the TV comes with Google Chromecast built-in feature to project a smartphone screen on the TV. For sound output, the smart TV features two 15-watt speakers, thus rendering a sound output of 30 watts. The audio quality is fine-tuned by DTX Virtual X technology. The output is loud with clear sound quality. Volume levels are adequate. The dialogues and lyrics were clear enough too. Other than the connectivity ports, the TV can also be connected to Bluetooth devices. We paired it with a Bluetooth earphone with the TV and did not face any problem. However, the TV does give some hiccups in terms of overall performance. While there was no freezing of the screen, there was a noticeable lag while switching between apps. Also, at times, the TV disconnected from the Wi-Fi at home without any possible reason. I had to re-enter the password to get things back to normal. Redmi TV X55, remote. Redmi TV X55 Smart TV comes with a remote with minimal buttons. The TV remote has dedicated buttons for popular odd apps. There is also a Google Assistant button on the remote to trigger the digital voice assistant instantly. The feature can be helpful in launching media directly and quickly, thus skipping a few buttons press. Verdict. So, what makes Redmi TV X55 a good buy? We will have to give it to the display, which comes with HDR10+ and Dolby Vision support, and the audio quality. Though there are some minor hiccups here and there, overall it's a good device. This considering the price range of the smart TV. Redmi TV X55 is priced at 38,999 rupees and offers many features that may be lacking in many of its competitors.